In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the redirect error in Google Search Console for your Blogger site. Let's dive right in. If you've been using Google Search Console and have encountered a redirect error, it generally means that Googlebot, the web crawler used by Google, is having trouble following a specific redirect. This issue often arises due to incorrect custom domain settings, improper HTTPS configuration, or even redirect loops. Don't worry though, fixing it isn't as complex as it sounds, and I'm here to help you through it step by step. First off, we need to examine the different versions of your blog URL to ensure they are behaving correctly. Open your blog using all four possible URL variations: http://yourdomain.com, https://yourdomain.com, http www.yourdomain.com, and https www.yourdomain.com. Ideally, and for consistency, all of these should eventually lead to a single canonical URL, which is typically https://www.yourdomain.com. If any of these URLs malfunction, such as failing to load or continuously redirecting, you'll need to adjust your domain settings accordingly. Now let's move on to verifying your custom domain settings. Head over to your Blogger dashboard and navigate to the Settings section. Under the Publishing tab, double-check that your custom domain is set up correctly. It's crucial here to enable certain features to ensure seamless redirects. First, ensure HTTPS availability is turned on. This ensures that your visitors are accessing a secure version of your site. Next, activate the HTTPS redirect option. This step is needed so that anyone who attempts to access a non-secure version of your site automatically gets routed to the secure version. Additionally, make sure that any access to yourdomain.com redirects to www.yourdomain.com. These settings help in maintaining a consistent and secure browsing experience for your users, as well as assist Googlebot in indexing your pages accurately. The last thing we need to tackle involves reviewing your DNS records. If you've purchased your custom domain from providers like Hostinger, GoDaddy, or Namecheap, it's important to confirm that your DNS settings are correctly configured. Specifically, ensure that both required SNAME records are present and correct. Alongside this, verify that all necessary A records are accurate. These records essentially help translate domain names into IP addresses, allowing for proper connectivity and communication over the internet. Be on the lookout for any conflicting redirect or forwarding rules at your domain registrar, as these could potentially cause redirect errors. Getting these settings correct should help resolve any redirect error you're encountering in Google Search Console. Take some time to go through each of these solutions methodically, and with a bit of patience, you'll have your Blogger site running smoothly again. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.